Greetings, avid travelers and smart shoppers. Today we are journeying through the fascinating history and current wonders of duty-free shopping, a retail haven for every traveler. From its humble beginnings in 1947 in Shannon Airport, Ireland, this concept has evolved into a global phenomenon, revolutionizing the way we shop while traveling. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or meticulously planning your dream vacation, this video is your comprehensive guide to understanding the charm of duty-free shopping. We'll delve into its evolution over the years, the benefits it offers, and the sheer joy of unearthing tax-free treasures. So, ready your passport, hit that subscribe button, and join us as we traverse the compelling chronicles and present-day perks of duty-free shopping. First things first, what exactly is duty-free shopping? Simply put, it's a retail haven where can snag goods without paying local import duties or taxes. These magical shopping zones, often brimming with a variety of products ranging from top-shelf liquors, luxury cosmetics, gourmet food, high-end tech gadgets, to exclusive designer wear, are typically found at international airports and border crossings. With such a range of tax-free items, they're a must-visit for the savvy jet setter. Let's explore the benefits. Number 1. Major discounts. Duty-free prices typically outshine those at standard retail shops to tax exemptions. From high-end items like designer perfumes and Swiss watches to everyday necessities like toiletries and confectionery, you're certain to stumble upon a bargain that brings joy to your budget. Imagine snatching up a bottle of Chanel No. 5 or a Rolex watch at a fraction of the cost, or stocking up on chocolates and skincare products without breaking the bank. Gear up for an encounter with the exclusive. Duty-free shops are renowned for carrying exclusive and limited edition items that are hard to come across elsewhere. Be it a special fragrance from a top perfume brand, a one-of-a-kind designer handbag, collector's edition of a popular book, an exclusive range of branded eyewear, rare regional delicacies, or a signature watch only available at these outlets, these invaluable treasures add a distinctive touch to your shopping experience. For the fashionistas and those who have a penchant for luxury, duty-free becomes your extravagant playground. Dive deep into an exquisitely curated selection of global luxury brands, each renowned for their exceptional designs and quality. From the timeless elegance of Chanel handbags to the unmatched craftsmanship of Rolex timepieces, everything is readily available at duty-free prices. Indulge in the opulence of Gucci's renowned designs or the cutting-edge style of Prada's fashion-forward clothing line, not only limited to accessories and apparel, but you'll also find high-end cosmetics like Dior or Estee Lauder, promising you the same luxury experience. Spoil yourself with these treasures or hunt down that impeccable gift. The possibilities are as vast as the selection. Attention, all spirit enthusiasts. The duty-free area is a treasure trove where you can amass a collection of your most loved liquors and spirits without having to worry about a burdensome tax bill. Discover a myriad of options ranging from premium whiskeys, exotic rums, classic gins to exclusive vodkas. It's not just about spirits. The duty-free shop is also a haven for local specialties and unique mementos. Unearth handcrafted trinkets, enticing local sweets, authentic clothing, and artistic souvenirs that encapsulate the soul of your travel destination. So make your journey even more memorable by bringing a piece of your travels back home. Here are some savvy pro tips. Many duty-free shops provide pre-order and reserve options. Start by planning ahead. Browse catalogs online and pre-order your desired items. This way, you can simply pick them up at the airport. It's a time-saving and strategic way to shop. Additionally, some shops allow you to pre-order up to 30 days in advance. Utilizing this feature can ensure your favorite products are reserved just for you. Lastly, don't forget to double-check the pickup locations. Some shops have multiple collection points. Knowing where to go will save you from last-minute airport stress. Pre-ordering and reserving items can change your duty-free shopping experience entirely, making it more convenient and less rushed. As we conclude, let's delve deeper into duty-free shopping etiquette. Always be mindful of your destination's customs regulations, as duty-free allowances tend to vary. Double-check the rules for carrying liquids if you're considering purchasing that luxurious bottle of perfume or high-end whiskey. Remember to respect other shoppers, keep your voice down, don't block aisles, and handle merchandise with care. Lastly, abide by the store policies, such as returning carts, refraining from eating or drinking inside the store, and respecting the checkout line process. Being a conscious shopper not only makes your experience more pleasant, but also for those around you. As we bring our exploration of the wonders of duty-free shopping to an end, I trust you're as thrilled as I am about the prospects of your upcoming travel retail journey. Indulging in duty-free shopping is more than just a fun experience. It allows you the opportunity to save significantly on luxury goods, to explore a variety of global brands all in one place, and to conveniently pick up last-minute gifts. These are just some of the many benefits that make duty-free shopping a must-do. If you found these tips and insights valuable in your travel shopping strategy, why not show your appreciation by smashing that like button and subscribing for more insightful travel tips? But the conversation doesn't stop here. We want to hear about your experiences. Share your favorite duty-free finds and your unique shopping stories in the comments down below. Your experiences could be the golden nugget of advice that another traveler needs.